Today, I'm introducing you to Edits, a new video editing app for Instagram that's already turning heads. I'll show you what it is, who made it, and how it compares to apps you already use like CapCut, InShot, etc. Edits is a mobile editing app built by Meta, separate from the main Instagram app. It's designed for creators who want a powerful mobile-first tool to shoot, edit, and manage video projects all in one place. It records up to 10 minutes directly, which means it's longer than what IG's built-in tools usually allow. It exports without a watermark, so your finished video is clean. It includes advanced tools like green screen, cutouts, background removal, and AI animation for still objects. You can manage multiple projects, save drafts, and easily revisit or continue editing later. Now, why did Instagram make this? Part of the strategy seems to be to give creators an alternative to CapCut, which is owned by ByteDance, which is TikTok's parent. In fact, many see Edits as a direct competitor to CapCut, and because it's a built-in by Meta, it has deep integration with Instagram. You'll see tools and features optimized for Reels, direct sharing, and features that may later roll into Instagram itself. While CapCut is known for its feature set like templates, transitions, effects, and cross-platform strength, Edits is newer, so it may lack some of the dozens of templates or transitions CapCut already has, but it's catching up fast with things like artificial intelligence effects and strong integration with Instagram. Because you can export your projects watermark-free, you don't need multiple apps to shoot, edit, and post. Edits tries to centralize that workflow. And because Edits is mobile first, if you're editing on desktop or doing super advanced motions or keyframe animations, some specialized desktop apps might still outperform it. Subscribe and follow along for a series of videos as I'll walk you through step by step how to use its features such as green screen, animations, exporting, etc. So if you want that, hit the like, subscribe, comment below, and I'll drop that next.